Hey everyone, for this video I will show you how to add Google reviews on your Shopify store. First, on the left panel, click on Apps or you can click on Add Apps. If you click on Apps, select on App and Sales Channel Settings. Now on the upper right, click on Shopify App Store. On the search bar, search for Google Reviews. Here you can choose on Google Reviews by Reputon, scroll down, and click on the Install button. Now just click again on Install. Here you just need to follow the steps. For step 1, you need to add your Google Business account. And once you added it, you can now add a widget to your storefront. It will look like this. Then you can also customize your widget. You can change the language of it and also the minimum review rating for it. You can also change the reviewer's name and how it will be shown on your site. Now if you are done with the steps, scroll to the bottom and you just need to install automated review requests. Once you install it, it will be able to gather new reviews from your Google business. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more.